Hey guys, so welcome to another shopping vlog with boss babe Nickie on a budget. And thank you for coming back to all my old subscribers, and welcome to all my new subscribers or my new viewers. You guys just hit that subscribe button and be a part of my family. Yes, let's get right into it. Mini shopping vlog, guys, on a budget. How you feeling today? Bueno. What you want? These are babe's favorites. Oh, for your snack. Guys, I love these. I love these. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna grab one. Dominic. I'm going to just unpack what I got at the supermarket now. Okay, guys? So, yes, let's get right into it. So guys, we have the little jar here. I'm gonna put stuff in our kitchen. Get some garbage bags. So, yeah. So guys, I thought I was filming with the Alaska, but here it is. I just threw it out. So yeah, we did already have this in the cupboard. Yeah, I'll just get this, and that's where the oats are and stuff. Yeah. So this is what I work on the road. Went to Knoxford and so guys, I'm finished now. So thanks for watching to the end, and I hope you enjoyed this video because I did enjoy doing it for you. And I'll see you in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.